APIs has been the backbone of software for years. They help applications talk to each other, fetch data, trigger actions. But AI does not work like a regular application. It reasons, it adapts, and it makes decisions in real time. And that's where traditional API start to fall short. They are built for fixed steps, not flexible intelligence. To truly unlock AI's potential, we need something better, something built with AI in mind, from ground up. That's where MCP comes in picture. So what are API? Let's start with the basic. An API or application programming interface is a way software talk to each other. Imagine ordering food at restaurant. You tell waiter what you want, they take the order to the kitchen and bring your food back. That's how API works. Application sends a request, get a response. For example, a weather application uses API to check today's forecast. A shopping site uses API to process payment. APIs are fast, reliable, well documented. They are perfect for structured, predictable tasks, but they have limits. API expect predefined inputs and known workflows. They don't adapt on their own. They don't understand context. And that's totally fine until AI enters the picture. So, what is MCP? It's a AI's new interface layer. MCP stands for Model Context Protocol. It's a protocol to provide context to the model. It's a new standard designed for AI agents, especially LLMs, large language models. Unlike API, MCP is built for flexibility. It helps AI model discover and use tools on fly. Instead of hard coding every connection, MCP let an AI explore what tools are available and decide what to use based on the situation. Think of it as universal interface for AI. One protocol to access calendar, email, database, and everything else, all without needing custom code for each tool. It made to fit how AI thinks. Imagine AI helping you plan a trip. It checks your calendar, book flight, and email your manager, all by discovering and calling tools dynamically. No hard coding needed. Let's compare two. APIs are built for developer and MCP is built for AI agent. API use fixed static instructions. MCP allows for discovery at runtime. With API, integration means writing specific code for each tool. With MCP, AI can learn and use new tools without changing the code. API works well for predictable flows. MCP shines in dynamic environment where the AI decide what to do next. In short, APIs are reliable and MCP are adaptable. So let's start with the real world example. So when should we use API and when should we use MCP? Use API for tasks that are clear and consistent, like submitting forms, processing payment, fetching data from known sources. Use MCP when you are building AI agents that need to make decisions, like booking meetings, managing emails, or handling complex flows. Here's a key: with APIs, every tool needs custom connection. That means end-to-end integrations for M apps and N tools. Let's say you have 5 AI apps and 10 tools. That's 50 separate integrations, each one with its own code, maintenance, and bug to fix. That gets messy fast. But with MCP, you only build each connection once. One client per app, one server per tool. Now it's just 5 plus 10, 15 connections. Much simpler. I'll give you one example. An AI assistant can use one MCP client to talk to calendar, a weather server, and to-do list without needing a separate integration for each one. That's the power of MCP standardization and discovery. So let's look why API and MCP works better together. It's not about choosing one or the other. MCP and API actually works great together. APIs still power the services. MCP just gives AI a smarter way to use them. Think of AI as the tools and MCP as the AI way to pick up and use those tools. Together, they create powerful, flexible system, perfect for the future of AI-driven applications. MCP is the future of AI integration. APIs got us here. They help software evolve, scale, and connect. But now AI is leading the next wave, and it need a new kind of interface. MCP brings context, adaptability, and simplicity of AI integration. It solves a real problem and opens new possibilities.